out our window. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm just walking with Colton. He is busy today. And Andrew is starting to work on the window that came in. He's framing out the window, so I'm gonna pass the camera off to him. He'll show you guys what he's doing.
All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm gonna use that long piece. I need to fill in this little area, this gap I left to put a piece of trim in. And I was gonna use some, regular flashing, galvanized flashing. It's real thin though. I didn't really like it. So what I'm gonna do is just take the 16 gauge, shove it in this hole.
That's what she said.
And bend it. So I don't know what's gonna, never done this before, but we'll see if it works. All right, this is what I got going on. The sheet is sticking straight out, and what I'm gonna do is just, it's about 2 inches in there, and I'm just gonna beat it around that corner, basically to make a edge. This was my original plan, but kind of backed away from it, just because I didn't think it would be possible. That's gonna go in that seam right there, cover up all that. More than enough. Let's put extra on.
This is gonna be our second window that we are putting in the bus. It's gonna be on the passenger side. As you guys know, we are enclosing that front door, so it's just going to be this window. First one in. Well, second one, technically. First RV window. Yeah, pretty cool. Looks good. Just an awe. It's freaking cool.
I hate cameras. Remember guys, vote John Fetterman. Vote for that big goofy looking looks like a creature that crawls from underneath your bed. Checking out that ass.
Yeah. Checking out that Parkinson. Wow.
So strong.